Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss out, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Better Now by Post Malone. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are A minor, D major, G major, and C major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. Our next chord is going to be D major. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. Our next chord is going to be G major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. And our last chord for this song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be A minor for 8 beats, D major for 8 beats, G major for 8 beats, and C major for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to play the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, down, up, tap, down, up. Let's play that strumming pattern on the A minor chord. Down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up. And now let's apply the chord progression to the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Better Now. I did not believe that it would end, no. Everything came second to the benzo. You're not even speaking to my friends, no. You know all my uncles and my aunts, though. 20 candles, blow them out and open your eyes. We were looking forward to the rest of our lives. Used to keep my picture posted by your bedside. Now it's in your dresser with the socks you don't like. And I'm rolling, 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 rolling with my brothers like it's Jonas, Jonas. Trying to figure out how I can forget, but I can't get this out of my head. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I say that I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Whoa. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Better Now by Post Malone. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.